Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Some mail call, and I'll do a quick, hopefully pretty quick install video of some upgrades for the K0. Of course, they always like to send me some slaps. Alright, so this are the Blindside ballistic side plates. So I've never really run side plates, but I think it's a good idea. More coverage better. And I know from their site, and they mention it, the commander and one of the creators or founders of Agilite was killed by a shot from an AK on his side, because this basically covers your vulnerable sides where all your organs are at. Something I always thought about. Mobility is very important, but these don't weigh that much, and they will protect you for 716 by 39 and I think 556. So those are pretty common threats, and just a little bit added weight is worth the protection, and I don't think it should hinder me in any way. And here is the plate carrier, the flank side plate carrier holders, and I think these are 6x6 because they're square. These hold up to 6x8. And I think on the K0 I gotta mount them this way so it faces inside. So let's try to do this as easy as possible. So I'm gonna put them right here, that molly line, in between. Well, I guess I gotta go right here to match the molly. I'll do it right here in this line. So I'm gonna do it internally, so I'm gonna do it pretty simple. Put one of these plates in. Fold that over. Just like that. All right, I will install the other side and show you what it looks like. All right, last plate. pull these tabs out, separate the tabs. Pull the strap up. That goes facing in because it's curved. All right, there you have it. A little extra weight, but extra protection on your vulnerable sides. Nothing like having your vital organs hit from the side and you be out pretty quick. So the amount of extra weight and bulk is probably worth the extra little protection that will help keep you in fight longer, if not save your life. All right, guys, thank you for watching, and I got more from Agilite. They sent me more pouches for the Reaper rig, so I will do a, since people were asking about install and stuff like that, I will do that video as well. I put a link on the tutorials. Every time you buy something from them, they will send you an email, and they have really good tutorial videos that are the direct videos that are unlisted, so those are very helpful and very thorough. So but I will do them anyways so that everybody else can see. It's pretty easy to do. Somebody asked me about this knife. It's really simple. It's just like a Blade Tech adapter, and you screw it in to these holes right here that are already on the knife. It is an option with tour knives. You can get the knife with this adapter, or you can get the belt loop, whatever you want. So it just feeds through just like that. Nothing more to it. There's a little bit of play, but not that bad. And it goes just like that. All right, guys. Thanks again, guys. I appreciate all the support. Trying to get some more content for you guys. Try to catch up on a ton of reviews. You'll probably see more videos because my time is super impacted right now with work and everything going on, life, kids. So videos are kind of quicker for me to visually and review things, so that I don't have to write them. Reviews are great. Written reviews are great, and I still will do those, but I can only pump out so much written stuff compared to these videos that I know the production value, guys, is not great, but that's not why you're here, right? You guys are here to get some information, and I do my best to share it with you guys. I appreciate it, guys. Take care.